Hi, my name's Ashley, and I have a passion for world travel. So when I lost my corporate job back in 2019, it only made sense and was a lot cheaper for me to put everything in storage and live full-time out of a carry-on suitcase. So I booked a one-way ticket, hit the road, in search of what the new normal of travel looks like. But more importantly, I'm in search of what my new normal looks like. I am the In Search of Traveler. What's going on, searchers? Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to hop on here and give you guys a quick travel tip. I'm currently at the marina in Marina del Rey, California, looking at all these boats and thinking about how fun it would be to book an excursion on a boat. And it got me thinking, I should be sharing with you guys some of my best tips and tricks for saving money when booking an excursion. So there's a few things that I do when I'm booking an excursion in a new area, especially if I'm not familiar with where I am and I've never booked an excursion there before. I like to use a site called Viator.com to get a general idea of what type of excursions are available in the area. I personally love food excursions, things like cooking classes and wine tastings. But what I love about this site is that you can filter based on what you're looking for. So maybe you're looking for an excursion that's inexpensive. You can filter by price. Maybe you're looking for something specifically around food or adventure, like zip lining or four-wheeling. Maybe you're looking for something that's water-based. Whatever you want, you can filter to find the excursion that's the best fit for you. Once I decide what type of excursion I want to do, I narrow it down to the best excursion in that category and then try to figure out who the tour company is that's providing the excursion. That way I can search to see if the tour company provides the excursion at a cheaper price if I book directly through their website instead of through the third-party website. I also check other third-party websites for similar excursions to see if I can get a cheaper price for the same excursion, and also compare and contrast the reviews to make sure that I'm really going on a highly reviewed excursion. That's my travel tip for you guys. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for joining. Bye.